Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike with a robust 48V 20AH battery and a peak motor output of 1300 W is a remarkable addition to the electric bike market, particularly for those seeking a versatile and powerful ride. One of the standout features is its large removable battery, which allows for convenient charging and extended range, perfect for weekend adventures or daily commutes. With a capacity of 960 Wh, it provides ample power to tackle longer distances without the constant worry of running out of charge. Performance-wise, the 1300 W peak motor delivers impressive acceleration and speed. It handles inclines effortlessly, providing a smooth and exhilarating ride even in challenging terrains. The dual seating option is a game-changer, allowing passengers to enjoy the journey together. This feature is particularly appealing for couples or friends who want to share the experience of riding an electric bike. The bike's design is both functional and stylish. The sturdy frame ensures durability, while the ergonomic seat provides comfort during long rides. The inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety, making it suitable for evening rides. The bike also comes with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping riders informed at a glance. One minor downside is the weight of the bike, which may be cumbersome for some users when it comes to lifting or transporting. However, this trade-off is justifiable given the bike's robust construction and performance capabilities. Overall, this two-seater electric bike combines functionality, power, and comfort in a single package. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter option or a fun vehicle for weekend excursions, this electric bike offers an impressive blend of features that cater to various riding needs. Its performance, combined with the ability to ride with a companion, makes it an excellent investment for those looking to enhance their cycling experience.